Hi guys, today I've got this messy braided hairstyle for you. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and we're going to just section off the crown of the hair and secure it at the back with a clear elastic band. Then make a hole just above that elastic band with your fingers. Pop a couple of fingers up and through the hole, pass your ponytail through to your fingers and then pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. Now grab some texture spray, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, add it to the hair at the top and then gently pinch and pull the crown and the twists on both sides. Now we're going to move to the left hand side and I'm going to section off a small chunk of hair a couple of inches above the ear, and we're just going to do a simple 3-strand braid angling this round to the back of the head. Apply some more of your texture spray to that braid and then gently pinch and pull at the edges to create more volume. Then just secure it with a clear elastic band and repeat the same braid on the opposite side of the head. Now just clip those braids out of the way for now, and we're going to take another section from about an inch behind the ear forwards, so the rest of the hair just below that braid, and we're going to pull this towards the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Make a hole with your fingers and then pass the end of that little ponytail through to your fingers and pull it through to create another twist. Apply your texture spray to that twist and gently pinch and pull at the sides to give it more messy volume. Then repeat the same twist on the opposite side. So take all the hair from about an inch behind the ear forwards, pop an elastic band and create your twist and then pinch and pull. Now taking the twist on the right hand side, I'm just going to bring it round to the back of the head and secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Then do the same with the left hand twist. Next, release those braids down. And we're just going to take the left hand braid to the back and then cross the right hand braid over the top of it. Then just make a hole in that right hand braid, grab the left hand braid and pull it all the way through the hole. Then secure each braid to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Gather the remaining hair at the nape of the neck into a low ponytail. And we're going to create a bun, so we're going to divide the ponytail in two, then we're going to twist one of those sections all the way to the end, and all I'm going to do is bring it up and over the top of the elastic band, securing with a couple of bobby pins as we go. Now lift your ponytail out of the way and bring the ends of that section all the way under and wrap it around to create a bun shape. Tuck your ends underneath so you can't see them and pin around the entire bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do the same with the next section, so twist it all the way down, and I'm going to bring this up and over to the left hand side and secure it with a few pins. And then I'm simply going to keep twisting the ends and wrap it around itself, creating a sort of circle shape around itself, and again secure with as many pins as needed. Finish off with a little bit of hairspray to control any flyaways. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.